blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional. But your love's too original. You're anything.
Hey girlies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sasha Talia. If you're new here, welcome. So y'all see me do some yoga. It is currently 7:45 in the morning. So I usually do that yoga stretch at night, and it really helps me like zone in, feel good, get ready for bed kind of type of feeling. So I'm gonna leave her YouTube and that video that I do linked down below. That way if you guys want to try it out and stuff, I swear you're gonna feel so good once you do it. And then especially before bed, it's gonna make you sleepy. Like yeah. So if you're having trouble sleeping, try this out. Let me know how you like it and stuff. But yesterday I didn't have coffee, so today I'm gonna make me some coffee. So let's head over to the coffee machine and make us some coffee. I'm gonna go ahead and refill my coffee container on up. I've been using, so I have my Nespresso machine and I use the Veturo one, and the one that I got is sweet vanilla. This one's really good. I'll link it down in my description. I got it from Amazon. So let's see if I can, oh.
I could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back, knew I'd always crawl back. Cause baby, it's the everything.
Hey y'all, so I'm so sorry about the mirror. My kids have marks all over it, but this is today's fit. I actually wore this outfit the other day and I thought it was really, really, really cute. It's warm. I put a bodysuit like turtleneck underneath it, and then I have my jacket, which is actually in the car. So this is today's fit. I'm gonna go into better lighting. That way I can like show y'all and stuff. Yeah, this is the fit for today. Hopefully my head isn't like cut off in the video, but yeah, I really love this outfit. We're about to go to Walmart real quick. We need to get some groceries and stuff, so that's where we're gonna be headed to, and then see what like stuff they have there. So I love this outfit so much. The bodysuit is from Amazon, so I'm gonna leave that link down below for y'all. Amazon, and then this bodysuit, ooh, I probably got it at, I think it was a store called Q's, I want to say, or I've had it for so long. The bucket hat is from, girl, I've had it for like about a year or so. Where did I get this at? I probably got it from, oh, you know what? I got it from TJ Maxx. This bucket hat is from TJ Maxx, and then we have my Coach purse, and then the Bad Bunny Adidas shoes. So all I need is my big old jacket to keep me warm because it is freezing outside. So if it's cold where you're at, like I always say, bundle up. And then here's the face. I did my makeup today. So yeah, I'm feeling cute. I don't know how warm I'm gonna be because obviously this is like the legging material, but it's an outfit, so I feel like regardless whatever outfit I throw on, I'm always just gonna be cold. So I feel like I should add more accessories, like another ring or something. But yeah, and then the scent of today was the, let me show y'all, scent of the day is the Daisy Dream by Marc Jacobs. This one smells really, really good. And then today's lotion and oil is from the EOS Vanilla Cashmere. And then the body oil is Vanilla Musk right here. These two combined, love it so much. It smells really, really good. So I will leave the lotion down below, and I believe the oil, you can get it from Whole Foods and Ulta. So I'll leave all that stuff down below for y'all. Walmart. So we're at Walmart, and I actually just opened one of these to try it. Mango lemonade, and it's really good. It's $1.38.
I want to try it.
Here, I'll let you try mine. Hold on. And then Trey's getting the strawberry lemonade one. I really like the mango.
I want
Okay,
the strawberry one.
Well, Mommy didn't open the strawberry. I have the mango one. You want to try a mango?
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice. Madden NYC. They have it in black too. Oh, it's only $12. That's not bad. Oh, look at these cargo pants. Oh, these are really cute. 20. They got the fuzzy material. Those are for 18. And then look at these sets over here. These are for 20. These are the no boundaries. Let me see if I can find the card thing. Oh, look for like Valentine's Day. That's pretty. This looks really cute too. No boundaries. Oh y'all, I'm trying to get used to this back camera. I was recording and like half my head was like cut off. So anyways, it's morning time. I don't think I recorded anything this morning. Right now I'm making breakfast. We're off to like a late start making breakfast. Travell was, he woke up with a fever this morning. So, but he seems to be a little bit better right now. I have him learning right now. This is the Can or Con app. I will leave a link down below if y'all have kids and you're wanting them to start learning letters, numbers, listening skills. It's gonna teach him all that on this app. So I just found it, and so far he's like really liking it and stuff. So also I got some packages coming today. I got OG, and I think I have these contact lenses coming in as well. So I'm like super excited to show y'all. Y'all know I love OG products. And then contacts, I haven't worn color contacts in like a few years, but I absolutely love changing the color of my eyes, just having fun with it and stuff. I don't like take it too serious and stuff. I used to wear them back in the day, and I always like love changing up my look. So y'all will for sure see that in the video and unboxing today. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish breakfast. Later on we're gonna make some overnight oats and and stuff. So I will catch y'all in a little bit. Okay, so I just got my packages. I got one from OG, so I'm gonna show y'all what I got real quick. Full Bloom Sculpted lipstick. I love their packaging so much. This one's just so cool because it's like you can refill it. So really cute. And I think I've showed y'all this before. This one is called Baccara, which I have never tried this shade before. So I'm trying to get used to recording on the back camera because it's better quality and stuff. So, yeah, so I got this lip product. I just got a few things from OG, and I'm actually expecting more stuff from them. I have this brightening botanical eye balm, and I'm thinking of doing like a giveaway. So I might like get a few extra things for a giveaway. So let me know if you guys would be interested. So I'm not gonna open this one. I'll show you what it looks like. I've been using it at night, and in the daytime. So this is the packaging right here. It's their botanical eye balm, and I really like it. And I'm pretty sure it comes like a little spatula, gold like spatula to get the product out, but it's really good. I really like it. And then I got the liquid gold cleansing oil. So let me show y'all what that one looks like. So this is what the liquid gold cleansing oil looks like. I've talked about this on my channel. You can tell I've been using it. I really like it. So if you have dry skin and if you do a second cleanse, I would say go in with the go in with the first cleanse. I would say go within the first cleanse where it actually cleans the face. This will clean your face as well, but if you have drier skin, use this as a second cleanse because it's a cleansing oil. So it does something. It feels very nice on the skin. It feels very hydrating. This is all organic ingredients as well. So definitely check this out. I'm gonna leave these items linked down below, but I'm for sure gonna be thinking about doing a giveaway, so let me know what you guys think about that. And I had this brand reach out to me. It's Just for Kyra. I think that's how you say the name. So this is their packaging right here, and it says Lost in Your Eyes. So I was able to pick out 4 colored contacts, which is awesome. I haven't used contacts in so long, so I'm super excited. This is the first time I'm actually opening this box, but y'all, there's a lot of stuff in here. What in the world? Do they have a pack of 2? Oh, I'm excited. Okay, so I chose like a blue color and then like some browns. So just to like enhance my color a little bit. And it comes like with the packs to store your contacts in. So I can't wait to like do a review. So we'll do like a contacts. We either might do a separate video on the contacts, so stay tuned for that. But I'm so excited because I haven't used contacts in forever, like the colored ones. And I always love to play it with my eye color. So I think the only thing with this brand is you just have to buy your own contact solution, which I have. So, but it does come with the contact case. So that's really nice to know and to have. And it has like some extra tools in here and stuff. So I'm so excited about this, you guys. Okay. So yeah, stay tuned for a video on that. I already did my skincare already, so my face is like super glowy, hydrated. I used a whole bunch of OG products, and then I've been having drier spots on my face, so I went in with, this is like my holy grail right here, Aquaphor. I like to use Aquaphor as the last step of my skincare, especially where I have like the drier, like under my chin right here. My nose has been like cracking really bad and stuff. And then I put a little bit on my forehead, just as like the last step to really seal everything in, and then to like, I don't know, just to repair that dry skin. So I feel like that actually really helps. So if you haven't tried that trick, I highly suggest doing that, because I think it actually works, and obviously it's gonna give your face like a really nice glow to the skin. I'm gonna go ahead and make the boys some ice cream and chill out. We're still watching like Power, so we've been watching those shows. If y'all have any recommendations on shows, let me know down below. If you enjoyed today's vlog, be sure to give it a like, comment, and subscribe, girlies, and I will see you on the next video.
'Cause I don't want this simple life.